Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. No issues whatsoever, guys, right? Everything is good. Great, guys. Awesome, awesome. So, let's do a quick revision, guys. So, what have we studied in our last class? Could you guys let me know? Could you guys let me know what have we studied in our last class, guys? Please let me know. Could you guys let me know what have we studied in our last class, guys? We studied about post. We studied about handling post requests as well, right? Get and post commands. We have studied up till this point of time, right, guys? We studied about arrow functions as well yesterday. We studied how to create anonymous arrow functions as well, right, guys? That is something that we have done yesterday, right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. Great, guys. Awesome. So today, what we are going to do is how to get the data that is present inside of our post request, guys. Yesterday, we saw that inside when we are submitting the calculator form, right? When we were submitting the calculator form inside of network, we saw yesterday that some kind of data that was getting exchanged, and inside of that, inside of the payload of that data, we were having our N1 and N2 being saved right over there, right, guys? Please let me know. We're having our N1 and N2 that was being saved right over there, guys, right? Please let me know. Good. So that data, how to get it to our backend, how to extract it to our backend, how to use it inside of the backend. That is what we're going to see today, guys. That is what we are going to focus upon and see in today's class, guys. Are you guys ready for it? Please let me know. Are you guys ready for it? Please let me know, guys. Great, awesome. So let's get started. Yesterday there was no attendance because the timing of the class had been changed. That is the reason why yesterday there was no attendance, guys. From today we'll be having the attendance. Okay, from today we'll be having the attendance, guys. Yesterday we had no attendance. Okay, good. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Replit. Let me open up your chat on the left hand side and the Replit on the right hand side, guys. Give me a second. Do that, and we'll open up Replit right over here. We'll use the previous Replit itself. Let me find our previous Replit that we were using. Give me a second, guys. My repls. Inside of that, there were an unnamed 31 repls that we have created. Wall like empty assembly. That is what we were using yesterday. Okay. Today is the last day of bootcamp, day 7. No, not at all. So what I've done is that today we will be understanding this small project that is there, right? Of creating this calculator app. Okay, creating this calculator app itself. Okay, and then we'll be having some career counseling sessions for the next 3 days. Okay, wherein whatever question that you guys are having, I will be joining you guys on Zoom calls and I will be helping you guys out with those questions. And then we will be thinking about something else. Okay, you don't have to worry about it, guys. Focus upon the class. Make sure you are learning right over here. Okay, so right over here, our first particular thing that we have to do is start our server itself, guys. So we'll go into shell. We'll go into our folder cd intro to node, right? We'll start our server node mon server.js. That is what we are going to start right over here. As you're able to see, we have started our server on the port 8000, guys. So we'll open up our browser, guys. Let's open up our browser right over here, web view. Let's open it up on a new website itself. We don't require it. Right over here, guys, we are having our calculator itself. If we go into right click, inspect option, network, just like yesterday. Yesterday we saw network, right, guys? We go into our network right over here. Let me decrease it. and we write our numbers. So 12 and 5, guys. 12 and 5. You can put any random number right over here. We click on this particular calculate button. As I'm able to see, something happened right over here, guys. Something happened right over here. Okay, did you guys see that? Please let me know. Some kind of data exchange happened and it is returning a status of 200 itself, guys. And that we saw it yesterday, that it is showing to us that inside of the payload of that we are having our 12 and 5 present right over here. So this payload actually exists inside of this post request that we are getting. Okay, the post request that we are getting right over here, this request, let me increase the size. This post request that we are getting right over here, guys, it is containing our data of N1 and N2. There's something called as body inside of this post request, because this request has a lot of different things, guys. Then let me show it to you guys. Okay, so I will put up a console.log right over here, console.log, console.log, and I will log out the request that is coming up right over here, guys. So whenever I'm getting a post request, okay, I'm also logging out the entire request inside of the console just to see the request. What is the information contained inside of the request itself, guys? So what we're going to do, we are going to go back to our website. We're going to go back to our website itself, guys. We are going to put some numbers, 12 and 5 once again, guys, right over here. 12 and 5. We're going to click on this particular calculate button. Now, if we go back to our console, you guys are able to see this entire information that you are able to see right over here. This is your request. This is the post request that is actually coming in, guys. This is the entire post request that is actually coming in. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this, guys? Please let me know. This is the post request that is coming in, guys. I've just console.log. I've just printed out the entire post request right over here, guys. Are you able to see I'm still scrolling? I'm continuously scrolling right over here. There are so much information that is present right over here, guys. A lot of information that is present up right over here. Okay, so this information actually contains our N1, N2 data as well. That is 12 and 5. This post request that is there contains our N1 and N2 data as well, guys. That is what we want to look forward to. Okay, we want to look forward to the N1 and N2 itself, guys. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to install a new particular stuff right over here called as the body parser, guys. We will we'll go to npmjs.com, guys. I'm going to search for a new package called as the body parser, guys. Body parser. Now this body parser basically helps you to parse the request. Whatever request contains the N1 and N2. We don't require all that information, right, guys? We don't require all that information that is present inside of the request. What we require is just the N1 and N2, guys. To take it out from right over there, we are going to use something called as the body parser, guys. Okay, so first thing that we are going to do is we have to install the npm install body parser, guys. We have to install it first of all. Let us copy it out. Let us paste it right over here. So we'll paste it right over here, guys. And we'll install it. Okay, so we'll install the body parser. Whenever you install an npm package to use it, what do we do? What is the next step, guys? Could you guys remind me? Whenever we install a body parser, what is the next step? What do we do after that, guys? Could you guys let me know? Once we have installed a npm package, what is the next step, guys? Can you guys remind me? Please let me know. We have to require that package. Again, guys, amazing. We have to require that package, guys. We're going to create a const called as body parser, body parser parser is equals to requi require, and then we are going to paste our body parser right over here. So we'll require the body parser right over here, guys. Next, we are going to tell our app, we are going to tell our Express app to use this body parser. Okay, we are going to tell our Express app to use this particular body parser, guys. So app.use, and then we are going to ask him to use the body parser. Now this body parser, so what is the meaning of the term parser in normal English, guys? Could you guys let me know? Could you guys let me know what is the meaning of the term parser in normal English, guys? Could you guys let me know? Yes, you have to write the exactly the name as it is written on the npm website. Can you guys let me know what is the meaning of the term parser in normal English, guys? To translate something. Okay, to translate something. So this body parser basically parses a lot of different types of data into various different kinds of data itself. Okay, it is not just used on your express requests itself. It is used on a lot of different kinds of data. But right now we have a particular use for it, right? This body parser can parse a lot of different types of data for you. But right now, right over here, we have a particular use case for it. Due to that reason, we are going to use only one of its method, that is called as the URL encoded method, guys. We're going to use only one of its method, that is called as the URL encoded. So you're going to write body parser dot URL encoded, guys. That is the method that we are going to use right now. This method is used to encode your requests to make it useful for us. Okay, that is the reason why we are using the URL encoded method. This is the one for our requests in particular itself. And we have to tell it that extended is true, because we are getting an extended form of the request, right, guys? The extended form of the request we are getting. We saw how the request looks like, right? When we went to shell, you are able to see how long this request is. So the extended, okay, form of the request is true, guys. So that is something that we have to tell our code itself, that okay, URL encoded. In this particular aspect, we are going to have our extended as true. So put in some curly braces, extended, and that should be true, guys. That should be true right over here. Are you guys able to understand why we are writing extended is equals to true? Are you guys able to understand why we are writing extended is equals to true, guys? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Great. Once you have done that, we'll get back inside of our post request, guys. We'll get back inside of our post request. Okay. Inside of a post request, we do no longer require the console.log request. Okay, that is no longer required. So we'll just remove it from right over here. What we're going to do is we are going to, so that n1 and n2 that is there, the numbers, okay, n1 and n2 numbers are now, because we have used body parser URL encoded, which has encoded our entire request itself, and that too in the extended form. It will save it inside of the request as something called as the body. Now you are able to access the request itself. Up till now we were not able to access the request. Now we can access the request due to the body parser method. To access the data present in the request, we are going to create a variable called as num1 that is going to contain our request dot body. Inside of the body, our entire data is kept right over here, guys. Okay, our entire data is kept inside of our request body itself, and from that the name of the first number is n1. The name of the first number is n1, guys. Similar to that, var num2 is equals to request dot body. We are accessing it by the body itself, that is n2, guys. That is the second number that we are putting up right over there. The third thing that we have to do is we have to calculate the result. So var res is equals to that is result is equals to num1 plus num2. Okay, we're just adding the two numbers up, guys. We are just adding the two numbers up. Okay, now we are going to write the result of your calculation is plus result result. Okay, we're going to save this right over here, guys. We're going to save this right over here. So what we have done right now is that we have saved from our request.body.n1 whatever number, the first number that we were entering, into a variable called as n1, num1, the second number into a variable called as num2, and the third variable we are creating, that is saving the complete result, that is num1 plus num2. That's the addition right over here, guys. What is the use of body? So your body.parser method, however, it has passed the entire request itself. The data, the payload that is there is now saved inside of the body of request. The request has something called as a body that you are now able to access due to the body parser method. And inside of that, we have saved the N1. That is the first number that we are having right over there, guys. So now that we have saved it right over here, we can go back to our shell and we can run our code itself, guys. We can run our code right over here. That is nodemon-server.js, guys. Okay, now you will be able to see that there will be one problem that we will be facing. Okay, as soon as I'm opening it up, you will be able to see that what should be the answer, guys? 12 plus 5. What should be the answer, guys? 12 plus 5. What should be the answer? Please let me know. What will be the answer, guys? 12 plus 5. According to us, 12 plus 5 is 17, right? But when I run this, you will get another answer, guys. You will get 125. Why is that the case? Instead of getting 17, we are getting 125 right over here. The reason is that because our data that we are entering, that 12 and 5 are treated as strings, guys. They are treated as strings, not as numbers right now. Due to that particular reason itself, instead of adding the two numbers up, it is getting concatenated. So what we need to do, we need to go back to our code. We need to go back to our code and we need to explicitly change the data type of this particular value. We need to change this data type from string to numbers, guys. So for that, we'll put it up into parentheses and write number, number in front of it. Okay, we'll put both of them into parentheses and write number in front of it, guys. So this will change our data type from string to a number, guys. This will change our data type from string to a number, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. It will change the data from a string into a number. Okay, so now when we save it, we are using nodemon, so our shell will immediately reset it. Okay, we can go back to our website, redo the exact same stuff, and right now when I'm entering 12 and 5 right over here, guys, I'm entering 12 and 5 right over here and clicking on calculate, we are getting the answer as 17. We're getting the answer as 17 itself, guys. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? And this calculation is happening in the backend. We are not doing the calculation in the front end, guys. The data is going to the backend on a server. The calculation is happening. We don't know what calculation it is doing. As a user, I don't know what calculation it is doing. In the backend, whatever calculation that you want to do, if you want to make a square root, you want to do something else, you can do it. And then just the answer is coming back to my screen itself, guys. Just the answer is coming back to my screen. That is the beauty of backend. That is the beauty of backend, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please do let me know. It is simple, right, guys? Is it simple or is it difficult for you guys to understand? Please let me know. Why don't we do the operation in front end? We can do it in front end, but our purpose is to understand how does the backend work. Here I've used a very simple example to explain it to you how it works. You can do anything you can do. You can create your very own scientific formula that you have created and you don't want to share it with the rest of the world. What in that particular case? You don't want to share the formula with the entire world itself. So you keep it in the backend itself. Right now I've just used a very simple thing to make you understand. To make you understand the concept itself, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Guys, the class has just started right now. How will I give the attendance if the class has just started right now? Okay, so I'm giving you guys a very simple assignment for today. Can you guys do everything that I've done up till this particular point of time? Referring, so I don't know if you guys know about it or not, but if you go to our channel on YouTube, okay, so this is our YouTube channel right over here, guys. DevTown YouTube channel, right? If you go to our channel, you go into the live section. There is home, videos, shorts, live, playlist. Go to the live section itself. You will be able to find all the videos of all our boot camps right over here. The current boot camp that we are having, all the videos you will be able to find right over here. Taking these videos into reference. Can you guys practice whatever we have done up till this particular point of time, guys? Please let me know. Can you guys practice once before coming to the next class? Whatever we have done up till this point of time, guys, please let me know. You guys will be able to do it, right, guys? I have full confidence. I know you guys are very smart. You guys will easily be able to do it, guys. Okay? Do you guys have the same trust? Please let me know, guys. Amazing, amazing, guys. I love you so much. Okay, great. Definitely try it out today. Okay, today spend half an hour, try it out. Wherever you get stuck, note it down, try to Google it up, take the classes into reference itself. I'll provide you guys with the HTML code as well. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so right now itself, I'll provide you guys with the HTML code as well, guys. Provide you guys with the HTML code right now itself. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. Index open. Index.html. Share. Anyone with the link, viewer, copy, done. Can you guys try it out, guys? Please let me know. Great. So I'm providing the HTML form down, HTML. Okay, right over here, save. Okay. No, this is not the last class, guys. No, this is not the last class. We'll be having one career counseling session. So I've created 4 groups, right? So in the 4 groups, I will be taking up 3 career counseling sessions for the next 3 days, wherein you guys can come up live to the Zoom class, and I will be answering your questions right over there. I'll be helping you guys out with all your questions, so you don't have to worry about it. Whatever question that you are having related to your own careers, or what should you be studying, what is... So, see, try to understand this, guys. I started out my career as a data analyst, then a data scientist. I joined Google right over there. I worked in Google for a year. That's great, right? But along with the same, inside of like DevTown as well, for the past 2 years, I have placed more than 7,000 students with an average package of 17 lakhs per annum. I've placed more than 7,000 students in the last 2 years at an average package of 17 lakhs per annum. This month itself, I've placed 12 students into Google at 60 lakhs per annum, guys. Along with that, I'm one of the technical recruiters for more than 15 different companies. I create the interviews, I take up the interviews, I hire the students, provide it to the companies as well. So doing all that, I have a lot of experience or understanding where you guys are going wrong. What are you not studying properly itself? Whether that will get you the placement that you want or not. So all these different things that I have done, I will be explaining it to you guys. Whatever question that you guys are having, I'll be helping you guys out with that as well. Why did you leave Google? Very simple. I got a better package somewhere else. Okay. They offered me 30-40% more. I joined there. Sir, don't have laptops. So how can I practice? See, that is the reason why we are using Replit. Replit, you can open it from a mobile phone as well. You can open it from a mobile phone. Okay. That is the reason why, Harsh Mishra, we are having the career counseling sessions itself. Okay. Sir, please send the group links again. Yesterday's link is not working. Sure, I will send the group links once again, guys. Not worry about it. Like I said, I'm always there for you guys. Okay. Give me a second. Let me check where I have sent the email. First, I will have to identify that because I don't even remember it. I think so. These were the group links. For those who want to join the career counseling sessions, I have sent you guys the links yesterday as well. I'm sending you guys another set of links right now as well. There are 3 session links. I have sent it to you guys. So you guys can definitely join the sessions from using this link itself, guys. And it will be great for you guys to start out from right over there. Project, we will be starting it after the career counseling sessions itself, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, once the 3 career counseling sessions is over, so then we'll start out with the project as well. So you don't have to worry about it. The project is going to be very simple. We're going to build the calculator app with a lot of other buttons as well. Currently, we are just having a addition button, right? we'll try to work on 2-3 more buttons right over there. Okay, that is the project that we'll be working upon. It will be a very simple project, very easy to do project as well. The only thing that I want you guys to focus upon is that you should first of all do the assignment, okay, so that you are able to understand the concepts very clearly, and then the project will just be a piece of cake for you guys. The project will be just a piece of cake for you guys. Okay, so I provided you guys with the WhatsApp group links as well. So if you don't have a laptop, like I've already said, repel it, you can use it from your mobile phone as well. You can use it from your mobile phone as well, guys. Okay, so this is the video that you guys are currently watching, right? This is the video that you guys are currently watching. If you guys, yes, the career counseling will also have attendance associated with it. Okay, the career counseling, you have to attend one of the career counseling sessions. And yes, the career counseling will have an attendance associated with it as well. Okay, so right over here, guys, as you are able to see. So on the basis of your attendance for boot camp, you will be getting Google and Microsoft certificates, right? On the basis of your Google, attendance for your bootcamp itself, you will be getting a Google and your Microsoft certificate itself, guys. Okay. On the basis of the attendance of just the career counseling session, on the basis of the attendance of just the career counseling session itself, you will be given the Amazon certificate as well. So not just the Google and Microsoft, but on the basis of your career counseling session, you will be given the Amazon certificate as well, guys. So you don't have to worry about it, guys. I've taken care about everything for you guys. Okay. Day 6 had no attendance, guys. Day 6 had no attendance itself. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. So in the description of the video itself, guys, if you go there, you will be able to see the HTML file right over here, guys. Okay, you will be able to see the HTML file right over here in the description of the video. If you are not able to see it, you can refresh the entire website to see it once again, guys. Okay, you can refresh the entire website to see the HTML link down the description of the video itself, guys. Okay, in the description of the current video that you guys are currently watching. Okay, the description of the current video that you guys are currently watching, in the description of the video you will be able to find the link to the HTML. Okay, in the HTML link itself, guys. Okay, this is where you will be able to access the file. If you're not able to see it, just refresh the entire website, you will be able to see it, guys. Okay, great, guys, amazing. So you don't have to attend the career counseling session, all the career counseling session. You have to just attend one. In every group, I will be sharing one attendance, one session itself, guys. You have to attend that. Along with that, the timings of the session will be the exact same. That is from 8:45 itself. Okay. Okay, great, guys. The next thing that is there is, I don't know, do you guys know that DevTown also organizes this industrial training and internship? So all the 7,000 students that I said that have been placed at 17 lakhs per annum as the average salary, the average highest salary at 60 lakhs per annum, and the lowest salary at 9 lakhs per annum itself. For that, we conduct a training and internship program. Do you guys know about it? Please let me know. Do you guys know about it, guys? Please let me know. Do you guys know about it, guys? Please let me know. So we have this industrial training and internship. What we figured out was that the students don't know the exact path to what to study, how to study, what to do, how to get an internship, how to get a job at the end as well. For that, we started out with the industrial training program that we are having right over here. Okay. So what we do is, for 3 months, we train you guys in everything that you need to know about full stack web development. Anything and everything that you guys need to know, whether it be data structures and algorithms, competitive programming, front-end web development in React, back-end web development in MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js, all these things. You are having your cloud computing with AWS. You are having your DevOps, that is Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD, all these different things itself. We train you guys from the utmost basic level. Utmost basic level itself, guys. That is the most simplest of the stuff. Even if you don't know what is programming, from that level to a level wherein you will be trained to create applications like the entire Zomato clone, the entire Book My Show clone itself. Okay, and at the end of that as well, we don't stop right over there. We give you guys a 1 month guaranteed internship with the company of your choosing. Now, what do I mean by that? You guys will be like, "Hey, what do you mean by that itself?" For example, in data analyst and software engineering, we are having companies like Cognizant, Deloitte, Boston Consulting Group, KPMG, Tata, Accenture, British Airways. These are the companies that are offering our students a 1 month guaranteed internship without any exams, without any interviews, nothing. If you are doing the training, you are learning everything that you need to learn for an internship, and we are providing you guys with a guaranteed internship with these companies. For full stack web development itself, we have companies like Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JB Morgan and Chase, Amazon, Walmart, HP, Infosys, Accenture. Amazon, Walmart, JB Morgan and Chase, Cisco, they don't even go to many of the colleges as well. They don't even go right over there. And to be able to get a chance to do a 1 month completely online, completely remote internship with them, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity itself. For cybersecurity and software engineering as well, we have companies like Mastercard, ANZ, JP Morgan and Chase, and PwC. These are the 4 companies that are there. Because the entire training is of 3.5 months itself, with instructors from Google, Microsoft, Amazon coming every single day, teaching you guys every single day for 2 hours. Due to that particular reason itself, we have to pay these instructors. We cannot organize. So even I take up one of the training and internship program from 10 to 12 o'clock in the night. That is one of the programs that I take up. So we have to pay the instructors to take up the programs, to come right up there, to solve the doubts and everything that is there, guys. Due to that particular reason itself, the entire program will we take up only 40 students in one batch. We have recently started out with one batch. We have already got somewhere around 13 people that have already enrolled. So right now we are having somewhere around 27 seats that are still left. It comes up with the entire training with a 1 month guaranteed internship with the company of your choosing, as well as 3 months of internship certificate from DevTown as well. We don't stop right over there. Then we go into your placements. We train you guys for your interviews. We train you guys for your LinkedIn, GitHub, resume optimization. And then we have your placements starting right over there. The 4 methods in which we do your placements. The first particular thing, if you have done well in the internship, this 1 month guaranteed internship, if you have done well in it, you get your placements from right over there. You get your placements from right over there itself. If you were not able to get your placements from there, the second particular stuff that we do is through our partner program. We are having 36 different companies. So anytime that you guys have seen our attendance, you must have seen this, that we are having these 36 different companies that are our placement facilitators itself. These 36 different companies hire almost 800 students from us on a monthly basis. And that is where we give our most of our placements right over there itself. The third particular way is through our referral program. These are the instructors that teach in our classes. These instructors are from McKinsey and Company, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Cisco, Oracle, Microsoft, and all these companies. So we get referrals from these instructors and their friends, and we provide it to our students. And the last particular way of placement is through our entire placement portal itself, wherein companies put it up right over here and we get our placements from there itself. The average package that we are having after the program is 17 lakhs per annum, highest being 60 and the lowest being 9 lakhs per annum itself, guys. We have started our very first enrollments, okay? We have started our very first enrollments right now into our program itself. The entire training is going to be completely online. The entire training is going to be completely online. The entire internship is going to be completely online itself. The cost for the entire training program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST, because we have to pay to our instructors, we have to get them to the classes, we have to make sure that our costs are being measured right over here. The cost of the entire program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. If you are doing well in the internship, you also get stipend associated with the internship as well. So you don't even have to worry about that. If you're doing well in the internship, you get stipend associated with your internship as well. So we handle everything for you guys, from not knowing anything to creating amazing projects to learning data structure algorithms, competitive programming, to doing your first internship with DevTown for 3 months, one internship of your choosing, of the company of your choosing, which has companies such as Mastercard, JP Morgan and Chase, PwC, Amazon, you are having Walmart, all these different companies that are there, once in a lifetime opportunity. And then you are having your finals, that is your basic placements and your placement in trainings and all those kind of stuff. The entire cost is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. The entire internship is completely remote, completely online itself. Okay, so that is what we conduct right over there itself. For those guys, can you guys let me know how many of you guys are interested to join the training program? Because we only have 27 seats that are there. If the seats get filled up, that's great. I can just like I'm fine with it, so that we are able to start the entire program as soon as possible. Okay, so what is the how many of you guys are interested in the training and internship program itself, guys? Please let me know. So we will only be able to take in 27 people itself. We'll not be able to take in more than that. That I'm telling you guys from right now itself. I'm very sorry, but we actually can't take in more than that, because in one class we can only put 40 students itself. That their doubts are being solved, are giving individual attention itself. For we have students joining us from Nigeria, Kenya, Pakistan, Africa. We have students joining us from UAE, UK. We have students joining us from Indonesia as well. So all these different people that are there out there, they join the program, they get their internships, even the jobs as well. We provide remote jobs to the students out there as well. The total cost of the program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. It's entirely first come first basis itself. We don't take up any more people. The fees has been broken down into two particular halves, guys. We have broken down the fees into two particular halves. So the 3,500 rupees we have broken down into two separate halves. The first half is the pre-registration fees, that is 500 rupees, to make sure that you guys are given the seat right over there. Your seat is not going to go to any other person. Your seat is reserved right over there itself. And whenever you want to start the program, at that point of time, the rest of the 3,000 rupees plus 18% GST will have to be paid. In dollars, the entire price of the entire program is $54 to be exact. The entire price of the entire program will be $54 to be exact, guys. Okay, so like I said, those guys who want to reserve their seat right now, so that their seats are not going to any other person, I'm going to provide you guys with the pre-registration link itself. Okay, so for those guys who want to join the entire training and internship program, that comes up with the 1 month guaranteed internship, as well as the entire training. And the entire training, you will be given lifetime access to it. So you don't have to worry about it, guys. You'll be given the lifetime access to it, guys. So you don't have to worry about it. So I've provided you guys with the pre-registration link as well in the live chat, as you are able to see right over here. If you click on this particular link, it will open that link up. This is the pre-registration link. Like you are able to see 500 rupees plus 18% GST itself. As soon if you want to register your seat right now itself, you guys can do it right now. And on the basis of that, somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you, will be proceeding with the further things as well, and will be helping you guys out throughout the entire process. This includes the 1 month guaranteed internship with companies like Amazon, British Airways, Accenture, KPMG, JP Morgan and Chase, Walmart, and many more. The point that I'm trying to say right now is that we have this 1 month guaranteed internship available for this batch. Will it be available for the next batch or not? I don't know. The training will be there. Everything else will be there. But the 1 month guaranteed internship, will it be there or not? I cannot guarantee for that. For this batch, it is there. You can reschedule your entire training. You can reschedule your entire internship at any particular point of time. For example, you're joining right now, but you're having the exams next month. So you guys can reschedule your entire training, that I will start my training after 2 months. You can register right now completely and reschedule it after 6 months as well, your entire internship. So you will be able to do it. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything, guys. So I'm studying degree second year. Am I eligible for this? Anybody and everybody who's interested to join the program itself is who wants to build a career into full stack development is eligible for this entire training and internship, guys. So currently, as soon as 20 seats will be filled up, this link will stop working, guys. Okay, This thing will stop working as soon as the entire seats are filled up. Are undergraduate eligible? Yes, of course undergraduates are eligible itself. Okay, we need to pay for internship. Haha. Also, so Thomasian, if you are able to get your internship on your own, it's fine. Definitely go for it. Okay, there's no point in that. The point is that the training, the internship is completely free. We are not charging anything for the internship. The internship comes with a stipend if you're doing well as well. We are training you guys for the training. We are charging you guys for the training itself. The training that is getting you guys ready to do the internship itself, that is what we are charging you guys. And the internship, if you are able to get it on your own, that's great. These internships are giving to us because of the level that we are training our students. Okay, so that is the only point. Like I've already said, guys, for those students who want to join the training and internship, they can do their pre-registration right now itself, and we'll be helping you guys out with the entire thing. Rohit Goswami, the entire training program is available to you with lifetime access, so you don't have to worry about that. How much are the placements earning in actually in dollars? Hans, if you are not able to compare it, 17 lakh rupees. Just convert it into 1.7 million rupees itself. Convert it into dollars. That I think so. It's approximately how much? $20,000, I guess. That will be around $20,000 itself. So, like I said, guys, those who are interested to join the training and internship program, I've already provided to you guys with the link itself. You guys can definitely join the program. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. If I am not graduated, am I still eligible? Yes. Most of the students that join us are from the first year itself. Most of the students that join us are from the first year itself. That is why we create the entire, okay, we create the entire pathway for them itself. Okay, the next bit thing, what are the prerequisites to enter into the program? The prerequisite is just that you should be able to understand my English. Okay, just that you should be able to understand my English itself. Okay, the internship will be completely online, completely remote itself. You don't have to worry about it. For those guys who are having any questions or queries related to the program, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number as well. I'm providing you guys a WhatsApp number. You can reach out to us right over here. No, we have data science, we have full stack as well as cybersecurity. So those guys who are interested to join the program, or those guys who are having any kind of questions or queries, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number as well. Is laptop needed for doing an internship? No, not at all. You can use Amazon workspaces. So most of the companies will provide you guys with an Amazon workspace to work right over there. You can do the entire training as well as the internship from your mobile phone as well, guys. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. When does the training start? As soon as you have completed your full registration, you guys can start with the training immediately. So I've already provided you guys with the registration link as well as the WhatsApp group, WhatsApp link as well. If you guys have any questions or any queries related to the program, you guys can approach us right over there. Okay, and they will be able to help you guys out with that. Right now, I'll be sending you guys the attendance link for today's class. Okay, I'll be sending you guys the attendance link for today's class right now. See, if you are registering it at a later point of time, I cannot promise if you will be able to get the 1 month guaranteed internship. Right now, if you're registering right now, then you have the 1 month guaranteed internship right now itself. You can reschedule your entire training to start from the next month. You can reschedule the entire internships to start from a few months ago as well. That is something that you can definitely do. Okay, so I will be providing you guys with the attendance link right now. If you guys have any questions or any queries, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number, or you can do your pre-registration from right over there, and we'll be able to help you guys out. I'm creating your attendance link right now. Give me a second. Yes, Vishal, you are still eligible for that. You don't have to worry about it, guys. Okay, so let me create the attendance link for you guys. Like I've said, guys, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity for you guys. These companies like Amazon, JP Morgan and Chase don't even come to most of the colleges. Being a chance to get a guaranteed internship with them is something that you will not be able to get at any other place, guys. Okay, so if you guys are interested to join, I've already provided you guys with the WhatsApp link as well as the registration link. Okay, in the attendance, please fill the attendance properly, guys. If you are interested, if and only if you are interested in the 1 month guaranteed internship, please mark which particular field you are interested in. If you are not interested in that, just mark no, I don't want to get the 1 month guaranteed internship. If you are marking one of these, somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you guys and will be helping you guys out right over there. Okay, so if you are not interested into getting the 1 month guaranteed internship, into enrolling for the entire training program itself, the cost of the entire training program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. We don't provide this to anybody else. On our website as well, you will not be able to find this. The reason is because this is something that we do with just colleges. We have almost 90 colleges that we are partnered up with. We train their students, we place their students directly. So that is how we take up some seats that get left at the end. We provide it in the bootcamp directly. That is the reason why we will not be able to see this on the website. Okay, so this program, if you guys want to participate in it, just fill up which particular field that you are interested in. If you're not interested in it, if you do not want to grow yourself, you don't want to get the skills and everything, just mark no, I don't want to get the 1 month guaranteed internship. Okay, so please fill the attendance link properly. I'm sending you guys the attendance link in the live chat right over here. So is this the one with the guaranteed internship online? Yes, that is the one. Okay, so I'm sending you guys the attendance link right now. Please fill the attendance link properly, guys. Okay, please fill the attendance link properly. If and only if you are interested, then mark which field you are interested in. If you're not interested, just mark no, I don't want the 1 month guaranteed internship. Okay, so that we are able to help the students who are actually interested in it. Okay, who actually wants to grow, we are able to help them out. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. I've already provided you guys the attendance. I hope to see some of you guys joining us for the training and internship program as well. And the others, I hope to see you guys in the future boot camp. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great night ahead. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys.